Ever cast your gaze upon a serene body of water and wondered about the unseen life bustling beneath the surface? Beyond the reach of our ordinary sight exists a fascinating world, teeming with an array of small creatures collectively known as macroinvertebrates. These are aquatic animals that, despite their small size, lack backbones. They encompass a wide variety of species, from insects that skate on the water's surface to crustaceans that crawl along the riverbed. Their habitats are as diverse as they are, thriving in every nook and cranny of the aquatic world. From the smallest of ponds to the vast expanses of the ocean, these creatures are an integral part of our water ecosystems. They're the unseen heroes of the aquatic world. So the next time you look upon a body of water, remember, there's an unseen world beneath those ripples and waves. These tiny creatures play a bigger role in our ecosystem than you might think. What if I told you that these tiny creatures are nature's own water quality inspectors? That's right, macroinvertebrates, despite their small size, play a massive role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. These tiny creatures are the unsung heroes of the environmental world. They help break down dead plants and animals, an essential process that recycles nutrients back into the ecosystem. Imagine a world where leaves and dead trees never decompose. We'd be up to our necks in debris. But thanks to macroinvertebrates, nutrients from this organic material are released back into the environment, enriching the soil and water for future generations of plants and animals. But their role doesn't end there. Macroinvertebrates are a key link in the food chain, serving as a vital food source for many other organisms. Birds, fish, and amphibians all rely heavily on these tiny critters for their diet. This is why a thriving community of macroinvertebrates can often indicate a healthy ecosystem, as it supports a diverse array of wildlife. Furthermore, the species diversity and population of macroinvertebrates can also provide valuable insights into the health of an aquatic ecosystem. Certain species are highly sensitive to pollution and can only thrive in clean water, so their presence or absence can serve as a telling sign of water quality. And yet their importance doesn't stop at recycling nutrients and feeding other organisms. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of macroinvertebrates. These mini marvels have another vital role. They are nature's very own water health detectives. You see, macroinvertebrates are incredibly sensitive to changes in their environment, making them invaluable indicators of ecosystem health. Each species of these tiny creatures has its own set of environmental conditions that it can tolerate. Some are highly resistant to pollutants, able to survive in less than ideal conditions. Others, however, are much more sensitive, thriving only in clean, unpolluted water. Their presence or absence in a particular body of water can serve as a valuable clue about the water's quality. If we find a diverse array of macroinvertebrates, including those sensitive species, we can breathe easy knowing that the water is clean and healthy. On the other hand, if only those hardy, pollution-tolerant species are present, it's a red flag that the ecosystem might be in trouble. This information is not just academic. It's crucial for conservation efforts and for maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. It helps us identify areas that need attention and informs our actions to restore and protect these aquatic habitats. Macroinvertebrates are more than just fascinating creatures. They are our first line of defense against water pollution, a silent alarm system that can alert us to problems before they become too severe. So next time when you look at a body of water, remember the unseen heroes beneath the surface, the macroinvertebrates, our tiny guardians of aquatic health.